do anything. Tell me, babe, what you want to do? And you better not get fresh or freaky up here, or I will cut you. So don't move it. I need you to understand. Can you sing, honey? Okay, go ahead, sing, go ahead. Anything, go ahead. Go ahead, baby.
Hey, Patty.
Wait, baby. Hey, Patty or Miss Patty?
Miss Patty, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Miss Patty.
Miss Patty if you're young.
Patty.
Okay. So, darling, can you sing?
I can sing a little bit, Miss Patty.
Go ahead, say woo. Say woo woo. Okay, sweetheart. What's your name?
My name is Benjamin Taylor.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tucson, Arizona.
Okay, sweetie. Okay, Benjamin. Can you dance? 1, 2, 3, come on. You know what to do. Come on. It's all right. He's not good, but he's fine.